I'll be showing you how you can make your lipid body wash at home all by yourself with shaking money. All these are just for how much? Very little amount of money. So guys, sit tight. Let's get started, okay? Hi guys, welcome to my channel today, and today we'll be making bathing soap. This is our sea salt, Kojic acid, Kojic powder, nitrosol, citric acid, SLS, diluted color, glitters, sulfur, glycerin. This perfume because I really want this thing to have a nice fragrance. Then this is soap activator, and this is foaming agent. Okay, with this we'll be making up to 15. Without this we'll be making up to 15 liters of bathing gel. This is anti-rash, anti-inflammatory, and cleanse your skin. So please sit back, let's start. Don't do what we say. Start by soaking the SLS and allowing it to dissolve. Now we set it aside. Boom, let's go. I need to dissolve it. This is what I feel. So part of our water will fall here. Stop. Stop. Hey, Divya, now, shouldn't have Alvin! Get out from here! Don't do it. Hey! And stop. And this video need to reach 15 minutes, blessing. So, but now, no be unnecessary thing, it's okay. Our nitrosol is all dissolved now. This Texapone is very sensitive. If you don't know what you do, it will just get lumped, and once it's lumped, forget about it. So now, first of all, activate it by opening it like this in part of sea salt. Stop. Is it sugar? Yes, ma'am.
Finish it very well. See the sticks.
This is the dissolved SLS. You now introduce it into the nitrosol.
At the blessing. How much is this gate?
I don't know.
100 naira. How much you are selling it?
It's okay.
Come on. I'm using
Come from up. This is sea salt and nitrosol.
Before the gate was red, nice.
You know where no cause go like. This is where these children then naked they come here. I don't know what I want to do. Your hand is not too close.
This is another name for stone.
Yeah. See now it's very thick. How? Sit.
I don't see my slippers. Look one of them.
It's okay. Change the battery mirror. The battery mirror. Yeah, battery mirror. Our 5 liters is finished.
Is this to finish?
This is glycerin. Check this out.
Okay.
This is blessing. Chicos, remember about travel mirror. Rubber hit Dinaka. You can't hit Dinaka. It's blood. Well, no, it needs plenty water. I was telling that woman this thing will be too plenty. It's okay. Are you sure? So now don't strong again. Stick. I still need to add some more water. And this one, I see this one is lighter. And this is after about 6 hours. Everything has settled and very much melted. So this is lighter, and this other one is thicker. So guys, I'll need to add some more water to this. Okay. This thing I was supposed to do this yesterday. If I turn away, it will still get full again. We still need to allow it to rest. I'm telling you. So the camera there. Yes. From oil. They come as they add them. Don't go add too much. It's too much. You want to dissolve this too much, sir. How you doing? This is not sweet, this is not food, it's liquid soap, liquid body wash, guys. So make your own body wash at home with ease. And I say with ease. That's that. This is whitening activator. Use this container too. Hey, Delisa! You see that thing when it dissolve? You see, you want to spoil my show for me. Is it okay? Okay. phone up. Now that it's properly dissolved, why you take my hand? That place where you put on before, take it. This one is orange. Stop now. Don't want it to orange too much. Stop. So you can see the color already. Stop.
I just want to just do the up by itself, so they know the press.
You know whether somebody is a presser. Maybe your housemate or your roommate is a presser. Talk with you now. And that's why it's not foaming again. But if you say, you know, if the SW they do this, they foam for full everywhere. It's not too thick for Olympic soap.
It's thick.
I don't know whether you're seeing what I'm doing.
I'm showing the thick.
Yeah, stop. Are you sure? This is 3 times. Woman, sure. Make this one not gonna spoil the whole thing for me. It's okay, alright. You know why I like this? It's okay. They know this.
Yes, ma'am.
You know reach down a bit because I don't read anything.
No,
down.
I don't reach down.
Sure that I'm adding water. Carry on, go up. It's okay. Come on,
No problem.
I like how like this one is. It's not like toilet wash. Nah, like kitchen soap. It's okay. But the word they show. Carry on, I'm coming this way. Yeah, bring your hand, come here from this place. Snap on. Let's snap. Snap us. It's okay, make up. What is my top now? Rubbish. It's okay, look at. I'm not going to do any makeup. For this thing, I don't wear how many clothes today. Only for this three clothes. From outside to this morning to this clothes again. So guys, let's make liquid body wash. It's okay. okay. As soon as they go inside the funnel, and that place will be the finest. As they put and come the funnel, this thing. It's okay. No, you don't need to. Don't vapor first. Make I show the foaming thing first. My camera and the top is okay, my hand never did. Not that. It's foaming so much. I don't know that foaming is until I use them back. You don't